بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ميم. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
Discuss that how we will step towards sustainability. We are conducting this session under the Ecosystem Restoration Vision 2021-2030, and we are in collaboration with Global Medical Services Solutions Canada. They are partner with us in this program. Welcome all honorable guests who joined us today. First of all, I would like, before starting my session, I would like you will introduce yourself. Sir Najib sir.
Assalamu alaikum ji, میرا نام نجیب چغتائی ہے. I'm a founder president Climate Action Consortium Pakistan. اس کے علاوہ ایکشن گارڈننگ روف ٹاپ فارمنگ کا ایز اے ماسٹر ٹرینر کام کر رہا ہوں. انوائرمنٹ کے اوپر جو کام کرنا میرا پیشن ہے, ایگریکلچر میرا پیشن ہے. So that's why I'm here.
جی میرا نام محمد طاہر رشید ہے. میں نے ایم ایس سی فیصلہ آباد سے کی تھی اور اس کے بعد میں وفدہ میں رہا 2 سال. وفدہ میں چلا گیا پاکستان ایگریکلچر ریسرچ کونسل میں, اور میری پی ایچ ڈی ہے نیچرل ریسورسز میں فرام یونیورسٹی آف گلف اونٹاریو. اور پھر میں وہاں اسی ڈپارٹمنٹ میں ریسرچ اینڈ ڈیولپمنٹ مینیجر رہا, جس میں میں نے ایکولائی واٹر کنٹامینیشن کا میں نے پروجیکٹ کمپلیٹ کیا تھا. اور 2015 تک میں مختلف انوائرمنٹل اسسمنٹ کمپنی میں کام کرتا رہا, اور 2015 سے اب تک جو ہے میں اپنا کام کرتا ہوں. اور ہم کیلگری بیسڈ ہیں, وہاں ہماری کمپنی کا نام ہے انوائرولیڈ کارپوریشن بیسڈ ان کیلگری. اور ہم کنٹامینیٹڈ سائٹس, ویسٹ مینجمنٹ اور کاربن کریڈٹس اور انرجی ایفیشنسی پہ ہماری ٹیم کام کرتی ہے. لیکن ہمارا میجر کام کنٹامینیٹڈ سائٹس کی اسسمنٹ اور اس کی میٹیگیشن ہے, ڈیزل اور آئل سے کنٹامینیٹڈ. پاکستان میں ہم نے 2020 میں لکوڈ فرٹیلائزر بنائے تھے, اور ہم 2 چیزوں پہ کام کر رہے ہیں, سوائل ہیلتھ ریجوینیشن اور کلائمیٹ چینج امپیکٹ میٹیگیشن ان کراپس اینڈ پلانٹس تھرو پلانٹ نیوٹریشن.
جی السلام علیکم. میرا نام ونگ کمانڈر عامر شبیر ہے. میرا تعلق ایئر فورس سے ہے. ایئر فورس کے بعد پچھلے 10-15 سال سے میں کارپوریٹ ورلڈ کے اندر کام کر رہا ہوں. نیشنل مینیجر فار میٹرو کیش اینڈ کیری. Then I was head of administration with Hussain Dal Saab. اور پھر لاسٹ میری جو اپوائنٹمنٹ تھی وہ رجسٹرار IBA کراچی. اور جو ٹری پلانٹیشن اور فلینتھراپی میرا ایک پیشن بھی ہے, اور میری جستجو ہے کہ اچھے کام کیے جائیں اور ثواب کمایا جائے, اور لوگوں کو بھی تلقین کی جائے کہ اپنے علاوہ دوسروں کی طرف بھی توجہ دیں, تاکہ جو غریب لوگ ہیں, مسکین لوگ ہیں, डेजर्ट्स में रहते हैं, पहाड़ों में रहते हैं, मुश्किलात में घिरे हुए हैं, सैलाब से उनकी ज़िंदगी में परेशानियां लाक हैं। तो इस तरीके से
इंट्रोडक्शन
अपने शहरों को बेहतर बनाएं, सस्टेनेबल वर्ल्ड बनाएं, दरख्त लगाएं, ट्री प्लांटेशन को की पूरी कैंपेन चलाएं और अपने शहर को खूबसूरत और अच्छा बनाएं। तो मैं इसके लिए आप सबको ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए तैयार हूँ और तकरीबन जो मेरी ज़ाती काविशें हैं, तकरीबन आधे लाहौर की मस्जिदों में हमने दरख्त लगा दिए, 4000 से ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े दरख्त। अब हम यानी मैं कोशिश करता हूँ ज़ाती तौर पे कि 30,000 डेट ट्रीज के जो सीड्स हैं, खजूर के जो सीड्स हैं, वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता हूँ मैं हर महीने। इसके अलावा तकरीबन साल में 3000 का मैंने ज़ाती तौर पे प्रोग्राम बनाया हुआ है, जो कि इम्प्लीमेंटेशन फेज में ऑलरेडी है दरख्त खजूर के, वो भी फ्री, सारी एफर्ट्स फ्री हैं। सो आई थिंक हम सब मिलके इस मुआशरे को बेहतर कर सकते हैं। तो लेट्स जॉइन हैंड्स और आप लोग कुछ सीखें और कोशिश करें कि ये जो सिलसिला है, सदका जारिया है, इसको कंटिन्यू करें। बहुत शुक्रिया।
My name is Dr. Ataul Haq. I am basically a graduate of Allama Iqbal Medical College, but with my passion and desire to do something in environmental issues, I specialized from University of London in environmental health and policy. And since then, I've been working in the field of waste management, and I have the honor and privilege to be the certified waste manager with international status of ISPA, with that only one person from Pakistan have been able to qualify. I carry with me hands-on experience of designing, developing waste treatment facilities as public-private partnership, and my project LWMC compost plant, alhamdulillah, is still operational and is converting 1000 tons of municipal solid waste into organic fertilizer. This project also got certified as a CDM entity, and because we were able to reduce methane emission, it qualified for UNFCCC registration, and World Bank gave us carbon credits. Apart from that, I have developed such projects in South Asia, and I have also my presence now in Saudi Arabia, where I am developing such exactly like these projects and also phosphate-rich organic manure. In addition to this, I carry with me hands-on experience of collection, transportation, and treatment of municipal solid waste, and as managing director of Gujranwala Waste Management Company, where I served for 3 years, I converted that city into one of the very clean cities of Punjab. In addition, I have been working with multilateral agencies like JICA and United Nations Environment Program and United Nations Environment Program and other such entity. My core entities also consist of developing waste to composting, waste to energy projects, and sustainable innovations.
Because we have
and now
limited time.
Our group is actively working into ARR projects, that is afforestation, reforestation, and regeneration, where we will be developing just barren land into forest and able to get just carbon credits from international agencies and sell the wood in the open market. So I am extremely passionate about my exposure and experience, and I am sure that I will be able to deliver something worthwhile to the communities at this stage of my life. Thank you.
Okay, ji, thank you for your kind introduction. I am Iram Tariq. I am CEO of Exodus Green Private Limited. And now we will start our presentation. Okay, let's begin with life cycle assessment quantifying SDGs. So Goal of the project is to restore degraded ecosystem while quantifying and enhancing health and climate resilience outcomes using life cycle assessment and AI assisted monitoring and early warning systems. As you know, that it's very much important, aligned with SDG 3, that is good health and well-being, SDG 13 climate action, and SDG 15 it is life on land. What is the core concept of this project? It is diversity, equity, and inclusion, that we want to restore degraded ecosystem while reducing climate-induced disease risk like heat, stress, air pollution, vector-borne diseases. And second is the LCA as a tool. We have to use LCA to quantify environmental impacts and health core benefits, and definitely how we can achieve all this by integration of AI. We have to deploy AI-based monitoring and protection tools to support restoration, decision making, and community well-being. What are the objectives of this project? The objectives are design and implementation, participatory ecosystem restoration in 3 pilot communities, and apply full cradle to operation LCA to the restoration activities to quantify impacts like human health, toxicity, GWP water use. GWP stands for Global Water Program, everyone knows. And eutrophication, land use change, it's very important. Resource depletion. Then definitely we have to translate the LCA results into SDGs relevant indicators as a clear narrative for policymaking and financing. For financers. Okay. Then the high-level approach and methodology of this project, definitely we have to engage the stakeholders, community members, local governments, NGOs, academia, private sector, contractors, and other entities. So we have to develop the extended LCA framework. It is very important. Once again, I'm repeating, extended LCA framework. So for this, we have to know what LCA is in actual. So ecosystem restoration design, definitely we have to make ecosystem restoration design for the communities. So LCA framework, shortly, I just want to mention few things here, like categories, impact pathway, linked SDGs, and health and climate link. So as you know, Global Water Program, definitely this is one of the category. And what is the impact of this? It is greenhouse gas balance. What is greenhouse gas balance? Definitely we have to know that. And the linked SDG is SDG 13, and the health and climate link of all these things is reduce heat related illness. Then PM 2.5 emissions. PM 2.5 emissions are very much important. Particulate matters, everyone knows. And air quality, SDG 3 and 5, and respiratory and cardiovascular risk, definitely it reduces this. Nutrients and chemical runoff, eutrophication, everyone knows, everyone is well educated. My audience is very much well educated, and we know that SDG 13 and 15 is involved in this. And the health and climate link is algal blooms, toxic exposure, ACT. So we have to track diseases incidents over the project lifespan and relate them to life cycle indicators like quality, improvement, water purity, microclimate regulations as well. Health and disease preparedness integration, definitely we have to integrate all these things with this project. And the you can see the highlighted areas are climate risk management, building community level early warning dashboards, integrating local weather data, soil moisture and health alerts. Then decision sports, surely that we have to optimize planting layouts for maximum carbon dioxide sequestration and inland reduction. Inland heat reduction is very much important. And the chatbot and voice interface, this is also the part of the program. And what are the expected outcomes that we have to the restoration of impact LCA report includes environmental and health co-benefits, AI-powered climate and health dashboards, maps, risk and early warning, community health resilience index, compost indicators, uh, indicators integrating LCA plus health metrics, and policy and financing brief. And these briefs are the evidence for integrating ecosystem restoration into health and climate adaptation planning and capacity building tools. Right. So these are the expected outcomes, and with capacity building toolkits for community data, it's for community data collection, AI literacy, and health centric restoration. So how we can achieve it? How we can achieve it? We can achieve it by ESG investment. What is ESG investment? I have to conduct another program, or I have to conduct another session to discuss ESG investment. So this is not circularity. This is something above the circularity, and this is ESG: environmental, social, and governance. Right? This is infinity loop. So, and by doing ESG investment, when we invest in ESG, then our economy will rise up, right? So, what is this? This is my work. I am engaged in all these works since 2021. And what is the result? This is what? This is my ESG investment, because I am investing what? I am investing time. So time is one of the, you can say, you have to invest the time. Time is one of the parameter, or you can say the, there is a very equity tool. You can say, you have heard about the green, the green, not credits, but the green stocks. So time is one of the green stock. You have to invest the time. Some other day I will definitely explain the how time is a green stock. So this is ESG. ESG is linked with so many things that only the one tool can handle this, and this implementation tool is life cycle assessment. And with this implementation tool, the ecosystem restoration is possible. So strong institutional framework supports the climate resilience and supports this project. So we have to work on the institutional frameworks as well. So the governance structure that aligns community actions, and for that we need scientific data as well, and for the implementation or for the community engagements, we have to use the digital technology, and by doing all these things with the help of the health sector collaborations, we can definitely achieve that. लेकिन आपका जो लोकल प्रॉब्लम है कि आपका वो मॉडल जो जिसको नेचर फिर उसके ऊपर फिल्टरेशन प्लांट हम नेचर भी एडिटिंग कर सकते हैं
اور جو باقی انویسٹرز ہیں یا بزنس مین ہیں دیکھنا ہی ضرور ہے. میں بھی 15 سال سے اس چیز کو فیس کر رہا ہوں کیونکہ میں نے کیا تھا تو میں نے اس کو کہا میں نے کہا اس وقت تقریباً 2.5 لاکھ ایکڑ تھا لاہور کا جو رقبہ ہے نا لاہور کا رقبہ وہ 2.5 لاکھ ایکڑ تو 2.5 لاکھ ایکڑ میں سے اگر 1.25 لاکھ نکال دیں جلیا پھر کے نکال دیں تو 1.25 لاکھ شٹریں بنتی ہیں 1.25 لاکھ ایکڑ کی شٹریں بنتی ہیں.
اس میں نا ابھی ہم let's go back to their second question.